everyone, and today cooking a breakfast, a kind of English breakfast, my version of English breakfast. So I don't have a toaster, so first of all I'm going to heat the bread in the wok. That's really kind of east to meet west really. So we do eat this kind of toast in Chinese version as well in China, and but it is a Chinese buns rather than this flat bread. And so I remember when I was little, my grandma used to put it on the fire and make it really golden and crispy and for us to eat. Okay, now it's my Chinese toast. What I do now, I'm going to have a few slices of bacon. So what I'm going to do is turn the gas down a bit. So I found this kind of Wiltshire bacon. I found it really good. I haven't had it for years for bacon because, try to be healthy. But recently I have this desire of eating bacon, so I bought some, bacon, and it says good on the pack. But it's really good. It's really tender and thin, and the meat is soft, which I like. So what I do is just use a little bit of olive oil and just fry it rather than grill it. This grill in the oven, it's not very good really. It looks good, but when you use it, it's not very convenient. It's huge inside, and it gets heated very slowly. So I'd rather fry it. And as you see now, I chopped 3 very ripe tomatoes already. I just eat it raw, and I had some beans inside. So now, bacon in the Chinese wok. Well, it's good to be open-minded. I think it's open to learning from different culture, different heritage. I mean, learning the good things, really. And I do like English breakfast from time to time. Maybe once every 3-4 times, so I don't really eat that often. Turn the fire, it's again being flexible, so when it's cooked too slowly, and turn the fire up a bit. And when you see it's all smoky, it's a risk of burning, so you just turn it down. So I mean, it's all common sense, really. So this is the toast from the wok. And I'll just eat one slice. I'll probably eat one slice in the evening. And try to control the intake of rice, carbohydrates really, rice noodles and bread, things like that. I notice this bacon gets crispy quite hard, so it takes a long time to be crispy, but it's not important to be crispy or not to me. So I think it's done. What I do, I'm going to take it out, drain a bit, put on one side, drain the oil a bit, So that's the good things about gloves. If you wear gloves, you don't worry about get burned. So the fire is up again. So I've got 1 egg. I'm going to do a egg. See, the problem is a fried egg is it like lots of oil. And if you don't have enough oil, it will get sticky. Which I don't like too much oil. So that's why I don't like eating this kind of fry up too often. You have to put oil inside, especially with the egg. But fried egg is tastier than the boiled or poached. There will be a salt on the egg. So if you don't use lots of oil, the egg doesn't look perfect. But it's okay, because you know this is not a posh restaurant here, so it's like home cooking. You could put a little bit of pepper on it as well. Turn the gas off now. So, oh. Right. It's done. It's a simple, small version of English breakfast for me. 3 slices of bacon, 3 tomatoes, 1 egg, and some baked beans, and some toast from the wok. So I'm going to enjoy it, and I'm going to have to push myself go out walking after this meal. So, okay then. Thank you very much then. Hope you liked my English breakfast. Goodbye for now. Bye bye.